hitting a freshly groomed cross-country ski trail. This is beautiful. Doesn't get any better than this. What a beautiful day to be out. Just check it all out, guys. Winter wonderland. Just a beautiful, nice little stream here as we're skiing in the mountains. Look at the treetops. Just beautiful. Just wanted to show you guys the sun poking through the trees. How beautiful is that? So we are gonna have a campfire to cook. So we're grabbing some birch bark, and that's how we're gonna get it going. When you see in it, kind of looks like little paper, like that. That is the best birch bark to use. All right, guys, just trying to show you. So we're out here, middle of winter. How do you find dry wood? You find like a blow down like this, the stuff that's standing. It's pretty good and dry. See how I can break it right off? So that's how we get our wood. And then we come over, get it over to our fire pit, find some old dead bark, beat down your snow, and you use some old dead bark to give you a base. So that way the snow doesn't just melt your fire. We'll show you how we get it started in a minute. All right, guys, so we're building our fire here. You notice we got a bark base. We beat down the snow. Then we use some birch bark, then some smaller birch bark, and now we're getting our kindling. You just find it from those dead trees I was talking about. So we're gonna light this up and we'll see how it goes. And then we're gonna cook right over it. Go. We've got the fire started, and we'll see if it keeps going. And then once it gets going, we've got all our dry wood broken over there. It's good to be prepared when you start it, so that way you can get it really going. Yeah, so we're out here and we're doing it. Get outside, everyone. We got the birch bark going. I mean, it is really just starting to take off. The little wood's starting to go. And we'll keep it going. Little Adirondack life in the mountains, wintertime. Coffee by the fire. She is roaring. Skiing and nice little camp spot, nice little fire. Soon it will be lunchtime. And the fire is just, look at that, guys. She is going. Got our cast iron. We're gonna be doing venison fajitas today. Picking up our bit of cheese. Toast them up over the fire. And that is today's lunch. Little fajita. Out here in the wilderness. Delicious. Just finished up lunch. Fire's going, we're enjoying that for a few minutes. Just wanted to make a note, guys. So forest ranger once told me you never put a fire out in winter. You never know when somebody comes around, and that could be a survival situation for them, and the coals may save their lives. So that's your tip for today. Just finished up lunch. We're on the way out. A few snowmobiles have came through. The trail is cooking. Well, it was a beautiful day to get outside, do a little skiing out here in the mountains of the Adirondacks. As always, guys, we'll catch you on the flip side.